In previous video, we have talked about template tags and all the bugs and errors. But here we had another bug, which is very important to solve. And we can solve this error with, well, using the managers. Okay, I have the documentation of Django. And the documentation, I have seen something here, like managers. What is the manager? It is an interface. The interface through which database query operations are provided to Django models. Okay, let's see here example of it. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, it says that you have to have a manager, any manager you just name, and you have to filter something from that. And we have here like a function as well. Okay, I want to have the same thing, like in the model of, well, any app we just want. We have the class. I want to name the class article manager. Okay, from the models, okay, I want to have the manager, and I want to have a function which is called published. Why I name published? Because it is, I think, is meaningful. It will have some meaning as well for us. So I want to return self dot, well, I want to filter something. What I filter, the status is P or published, is well and clean. So our manager is ready. We have met this manager, we have created this manager. Okay, now I want to just have here, because it says that after creating this manager, you should have this like an objects, well, an object from the objects. Okay, so we have the objects here, and we use, because it is the default manager, it says that models.Manager, we have to use our one. Okay, this like this. Okay, so we have created it here, and like this we can use. Okay, what can be, well, I want to use the objects. Objects will be what, like we have here article managers, and we have the parentheses as well. Now the manager is created, and we have this function, this published. Now instead of using everywhere like we have here like articles.all, instead of all, we should have this published. Okay, it's well and done and completed. Okay, now let me refresh this, and for example, we have this Linux here also, here and everywhere. Windows, for example, Windows, 2 articles are Windows. In this third article, okay, we have computer. In the computer, we have 2 articles in the category computer. Okay, now if I, well, in the list of articles, if we had the Windows, okay, we had the computer. Okay, now if the second article, if I make it as draft, I expect it should not show this second article. Okay, yeah, the second article is gone. But before that, before having the managers, it was showing this as well. This is the beauty of manager, and it works very, very nice. And not only here, not only in this, well, template, we can use in the views as well. For example, we have here the filter status as, well, P or published. Now instead of this filter and all that, I can use like this, published. Okay, now for example, if I have it here from this part, if I use instead of that this published, it works fine. Okay, here also, if I have instead of this well, status, now for example, I have this article dot objects dot published. It's clean, it's nice. Okay, let's test it. What is the second article? Second article is not shown here. Okay, second article is gone. Okay, if I have it from, well, the second article is in draft. Okay, if I have it from here, article and the second article, it throws like 404 not found page. It is clean, as very nice. Okay, the managers is like this, and it works very, very fine. In the next video, we will have some like CSS styles, like we can solve some problems, and after that we will talk about like the paginations. Okay, this thing. So see you in the next video.